Hi friends, today we'll discuss about currency chest. What is currency chest? How it will work? Currency chest is a reservoir of money, means it is a pool of money, pool of currency maintained by the banks. Any bank can maintain a currency chest, but agreement with RBI. So they can open a currency chest and they can maintain the cash, but with agreement with RBI. Why currency chest is required? The currency notes have to be equitably distributed in all the parts of the country. So, if you keep entire physical cash in one place, it is very difficult to spread across the country. So, you have a multiple currency chest available across India so that money can be easily, equitably distributed in all the parts of the country. So currency chest is held in the joint custody. So all the operations in currency chest will be in joint custody. Joint custody means two persons will be there. One person can be cash officer, a chief cashier. Another person will be branch manager. So if you want to open a currency chest, you need a joint custody. You have to chief cashier and branch manager has to open the chest. So any entry, any inflow, outflow, everything should be on the joint custody. What are the cash outflows from currency chest? In order to meet the needs of the bank branches, no restrictions on the number of withdrawals. Means, for example, Canara Bank is maintaining currency chest. So initially their target is to meet needs of their branches located in the same place. For example, I have currency chest in Hyderabad, so I'll see that all my branches will be accessible. If they have excess money, they can deposit into my currency chest, and if they want money, they can take it from my currency chest. And there is no restrictions on the number of withdrawals. Any number of in a day you can do 50, 100, 200. There is no restriction on the withdrawals. And what type of activities will be in the currency chest, how these are maintained? One is like cash deposits and cash withdrawals, and day begin, day close, and all the entries will be posted in vault register, cash jotting book by the two persons. Transactions: record cash paid and cash received from the other branches or other banks. We have to record all the cash paid and cash received. Cash paid means outward, cash received means this is inflow. Okay, and record all the bank and government transactions also maintained in a separate payment register, receipt scrolls. Like not only your bank transaction, other banks also can withdraw money and they can deposit cash. The same way you can do a transactions for government also, but you have to keep separate a ledger, a register for the bank transactions and government transactions. So days transactions are entered in cashier wise. So in cash currency chest, not only one person, multiple cashiers are working. So days transactions are entered in cashier wise. In the cash officer jotting book, in which the currency transfer closing cash branches are arrived at. So if we include all the cashiers opening balance, transactions, closing balance, then only I can arrive my closing balance of the currency chest. Keys. You have two types of keys. One is original, one is duplicate. So particulars of the all important keys to be entered in a key register. So for example, if you are using a particular key set, so all those should be registered in a register, and who is holding, who is the joint custodians. So which key is holding with whom, you have to enter everything in a register. The register shows of all the original and duplicate keys and where they are to be found by the officials holding them. So this original key set, so if it is original, individual persons will be carrying. So for example, I'll say like I have a main door key and safe key, locker key. So in this register they clearly mention like, okay, this set is available with X person, this will be with Y person, and duplicate piece available in a particular place. All the details should be registered in a book. Duplicate of the branch So normally original keys will be used for the opening the safe, branch, close, everything, but duplicate keys will be available and it should be sealed or locked by the branch manager with branch seal in the presence of the joint holders, cashier and other supervising person, so that these duplicate keys should not be used, because these are sealed locked with the branch seal. So somebody has tampered, you'll know like somebody used the duplicate keys. Any bank can open a currency chest. First is like with agreement only, you have to open a currency chest with the permission from the RBI only. And what are the minimum requirements to open a currency chest by any bank? So strong room, vault, at least 1500 square feet should be there, and daily processing capacity of 6,60,000 pieces of banknotes per day. So these many notes you should have a capacity to count and keep it in your vault. Then you should have a fully automated IT solution. So any point of time, which bank holding, what is the balance, what is the withdrawals, and what is the bank transaction, everything should be fully automated with IT solution. So the balance can be maximum balance you can keep it in your chest is 10 billion amount capacity should be available in currency chest. That much capacity, if you have that building or whatever the place you take, you see that these are available, so that RBI will give a permission to open a currency chest. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.